In this question, we are given a series and we are asked to find out the sum of the first 8 terms of that series. When you look at the series, you will notice that there is no immediate pattern that is visible. The first term is 1, the second term is 5, the third term is 19, the fourth term is 65, next is 211 and so on. If you are trying to find some sort of a pattern, you will notice that 5 to 19 is that it is, you can look at it as 2 ways. It is either into 4 minus 1 or into 3 plus 4. From 19 to 65, again this is into 3 plus 8. 19 into 3 is 57 plus 8 is 65. Similarly, 65 to 211 is into 3, which brings us 195 plus 16. Similarly, 1 to 5, if you look at it, there are multiple ways to look at it, but if you are observing the pattern, this is into 3 plus 2. So clearly you will notice that this has something to do with multiplications of 3 and powers of 2. The first one is 2, the next is 4, then you have 8 and then you have 16. Now if you think deeper, you will notice that 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 and 5 is equal to 3 square minus 2 square. Similarly, 19 is equal to 3 cube minus 2 cube. 65 is equal to 3 to the power 4, which is 81, minus 2 to the power 4, which is 16. So you can clearly see a pattern over here. 211 will be 3 to the power 5, which is 243, minus 2 to the power 5, which is 32. So similarly, the 8th term will be 3 to the power 8 minus 2 to the power 8, which will be some number. So if you are asked to find out the sum of the first 8 terms, you will have to first find out the sum of 3 plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus 3 to the power 8 minus 2 plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus 2 to the power 8. Both of them are geometric progressions. In a geometric progression which is of the form AR square, etc., where the first term is A and the common ratio is R, what is the sum of the first n terms? The sum of the first n terms will be equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression. So in this particular case, what is the sum of the geometric progression 3 square dot 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 till 3 to the power 8? This will be the first term, which is 3, into the common ratio, which is also equal to 3, raised to the power of n, which is 8 minus 1, divided by R minus 1. The common ratio is 3, so this is 3 minus 1, which is 2. Minus, what is the sum of the second geometric progression? The first term is 2 into R to the power n, that is 2 to the power 8 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. What is 3 to the power 8? We know that 3 to the power 4 is 81. So 3 to the power 8 will be equal to 81 into 81, which is 6561. So this is equal to 3 into 6561 minus 1 divided by 2 minus what is 2 to the power 8? 2 to the power 8 is 256, minus 1 is 255. So this is 2 into 255. This is equal to 510. And this is 3 into 6560 divided by 2 will be equal to 3280. So this is 3 into 3280 minus 510. 3 into 3280 will be equal to 9840 minus 510, which is equal to 9330. So the correct answer is option D.